Welcome to the AI Starter course. In Chapter 1, we will explore the fundamental question: what is artificial intelligence? We will break down the core definitions, trace the history of this technology, look at its real-world impact, and set up your foundational roadmap for this course. Welcome to Chapter 1. Artificial intelligence is fundamentally transforming the way people work, learn, communicate, and solve problems globally. In this overview lesson, we will understand the true meaning of artificial intelligence, compare AI with traditional software architectures, explore subsets like machine learning and deep learning, discover generative AI tools, and highlight modern tech career pathways. To put it simply, artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to execute tasks that normally require human intelligence. Some of the most prominent, everyday examples of these operations include understanding natural human language, recognizing complex images, making standalone choices, solving mathematical problems, and learning automatically from raw data. As a distinct field of computer science, artificial intelligence focuses heavily on engineering systems capable of simulating human intelligence workflows. This allows machines to independently perform high-level functions such as continuous reasoning, contextual learning, abstract problem-solving, and critical decision-making. It is important to emphasize that the true goal of artificial intelligence is not to replace human contributors, but rather to assist and enhance human capabilities. Organizations leverage AI systems to automate highly repetitive tasks, significantly improve operational decision-making, rapidly analyze massive data clusters, increase daily productivity, and unlock brand new opportunities for technological innovation. To understand where we are today, let's look at a brief history of artificial intelligence. The field was formally established all the way back in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference. By the 1980s, specialized expert systems gained popularity in commercial business applications. A massive breakthrough occurred in 2012 when deep learning achieved state-of-the-art results in image recognition, paving the way for the widespread consumer adoption of generative AI tools like ChatGPT in 2022. Today, AI is used across virtually every global industry. A critical concept for any beginner to grasp is the core difference between artificial intelligence and traditional software. Traditional software relies entirely on explicit, rigid instructions written step by human programmers. In stark contrast, artificial intelligence systems analyze raw data independently to discover underlying patterns, making their own decisions or future predictions. Let's compare traditional software and artificial intelligence directly. Traditional software follows fixed, predetermined rules where the programmer must define every single parameter, producing completely predictable results best suited for structured administrative tasks. Artificial intelligence operates dynamically by learning from data, identifying hidden patterns, and adapting automatically to entirely new situations, making it perfect for solving highly complex, real-world problems. To see a classic example of traditional software engineering, look at a basic automated cooling system script. The program runs on a strict, explicit rule. If the temperature rises above 80 degrees, then turn on the fan, else keep the fan turned off. The rules are entirely static, meaning the software cannot learn, and its baseline behavior remains permanently fixed. Now let's look at an equivalent example using an artificial intelligence infrastructure. Instead of writing a rigid rule, we feed bulk historical weather data directly into an AI model. The system evaluates the parameters to discover its own rules and patterns. The resulting output predicts tomorrow's temperature, and these predictive patterns continuously improve over time as more data is processed. This introduces our next major domain: machine learning. Machine learning is a specialized branch of artificial intelligence that empowers computer systems to learn directly from raw data clusters, without needing a programmer to write explicit, static commands for every single edge case situation. How does machine learning actually work under the hood? The pipeline operates in an automated loop. First, massive datasets are collected and fed into the system during a dedicated training phase. The system automatically identifies statistical patterns to formulate a trained model, which can then ingest fresh inputs to make highly accurate future predictions. We interact with different styles of machine learning systems constantly in the modern economy. Prominent examples include online recommendation systems that suggest movies, products, or music based on our tastes. It powers email filtering utilities to isolate spam, financial fraud detection systems to identify suspicious transactions, and predictive analytics tools used to forecast corporate supply demands. An even more specialized subset within this architecture is deep learning. Deep learning represents a highly advanced form of machine learning that utilizes complex, multi-layered artificial neural networks to process data and solve problems. Deep learning models are heavily inspired by the biological structure and neural networking of the human brain. By running data through dozens or hundreds of virtual processing layers, these systems can digest massive amounts of unstructured data and recognize incredibly intricate patterns, allowing modern applications to achieve state-of-the-art results across many scientific fields. Some of the most high-impact deep learning applications include computer vision systems that recognize objects and images in real time, and speech recognition engines that understand spoken dialects. It also drives seamless, contextual language translation utilities and provides the computational brain required to help autonomous vehicles understand their surrounding physical environment safely. Moving into the cutting edge of modern technology, let's explore generative AI. Generative AI represents a massive technological shift because it goes beyond analysis to create completely original content, including plain text, high-resolution images, clear audio tracks, dynamic video files, and functional computer code. What exactly makes generative AI so fundamentally different from older systems? While most traditional AI platforms focus exclusively on analyzing existing information to classify items, generative AI can synthesize something entirely new from scratch. This includes writing professional articles, generating custom artwork, composing original music, producing original videos, or even writing complex software code from a simple user prompt. There are several highly popular generative AI tools leading the market today. OpenAI's ChatGPT excels at generating conversational text and programming code, while Anthropic's Claude specializes in conversational assistance and large context file analysis. Google's Gemini acts as a highly versatile multimodal tool generating text, code, and images, while Midjourney serves as an industry standard for creating AI-generated artwork. When evaluating why AI matters so intensely today, it is clear that it represents one of the most important technological leaps of the 21st century. Embracing AI tools allows organizations to scale human productivity, accelerate the speed of scientific innovation, eliminate tedious, repetitive daily work, uncover unique business opportunities, and solve previously impossible global challenges. At an individual level, AI acts as a massive productivity multiplier, helping professionals accomplish significantly more work in far less time. Everyday productivity workflows include automated writing assistance, live software development debugging support, around-the-clock customer service automation, rapid data analysis, and instantaneous technical research assistance. Because of these massive efficiency gains, real-world applications of artificial intelligence are being actively deployed across virtually every modern industry sector. Let's look at how AI operates across different business verticals. In healthcare, it analyzes medical imaging to accelerate clinical diagnosis. In finance, it runs real-time risk analysis and immediate fraud detection across global payment networks. In manufacturing, it powers predictive maintenance and strict quality control pipelines, while in retail, it drives personalized consumer product recommendations. Transportation and logistics companies rely heavily on AI infrastructure to drastically maximize efficiency and safety. Logistics networks deploy AI models to calculate automated route optimization and real-time traffic predictions. It also powers modern driver assistance safety features and fuels cutting-edge autonomous vehicle engineering research worldwide. Artificial intelligence is also completely reshaping the educational landscape and changing how people acquire new skills. Modern educational platforms leverage AI to deliver highly personalized learning experiences tailored to an individual student's pacing. It drives intelligent tutoring systems, automates grading workflows for instructors, generates customized study content, and delivers granular learning analytics. The reality is that most people interact with and utilize artificial intelligence systems multiple times every single day without even realizing it. Some of the most common, everyday AI examples include internet search engines that deliver highly relevant results instantly, and digital navigation maps that calculate optimal driving routes around traffic blocks. It also runs behind the scenes of your favorite streaming platforms to recommend entertainment, and powers the smart digital assistants inside our homes to handle daily voice tasks. Modern smartphones also rely extensively on integrated artificial intelligence layers to deliver a premium user experience. Your phone deploys localized AI models to handle instant face recognition security unlocks, run smart voice assistants, apply real-time computational photo enhancements to your camera shots, power predictive text typing workflows, and run live language translations. Because this ecosystem is growing so rapidly, the expansion of artificial intelligence has created an abundance of exciting, highly lucrative career opportunities. Some of the most in-demand AI career paths include AI engineers, who focus on building and deploying smart application frameworks, and machine learning engineers, who architect and train advanced predictive models. You can also operate as a data scientist to analyze massive data flows and uncover business insights, or act as an AI product manager to guide product development pipelines. To build a competitive edge and successfully transition into an AI career path, you should focus on developing a well-rounded skill pipeline. Prioritize technical skills like basic programming, data analysis methodologies, machine learning framework loops, and cloud computing architectures. Balance those with critical soft skills like structured problem solving and clear technical communication. There has never been a better time to learn AI, because these technical skills are becoming a core business requirement across almost every corporate sector. The global demand for professionals who understand how to deploy and configure these tools continues to scale rapidly, and possessing this technical knowledge will dramatically enhance your long-term career opportunities. As Sundar Pichai beautifully summarized, artificial intelligence is one of the most profound technologies humanity is working on. It represents a foundational shift in how we interact with computing, making a baseline understanding of this craft an essential standard skill for the modern workforce. The best part about this journey is that you do not need a computer science PhD to get started. You can begin learning AI right now by mastering the core underlying concepts, experimenting firsthand with free consumer AI tools, and building simple, practical automation projects. Consistent, daily learning paired with hands-on building practice are the ultimate keys to your success. Let's summarize Chapter 1. Artificial intelligence enables computers to perform tasks that traditionally require human cognitive input, and it differs from older software frameworks because it learns dynamically from data rather than following static, programmed commands. Machine learning and deep learning form the computational backbone of these networks, while generative AI tools represent a new frontier by synthesizing completely original text, images, and code. AI is transforming every major global industry and everyday consumer device, offering an abundance of career opportunities for lifelong learners who commit to consistent, daily progress. Thank you for watching Chapter 1.